Hello, how to solve for x and y from this given nice math problem. X raised to power 3 plus y raised to power 3 is equal to 5. X squared plus y squared is equal to 3. Solution. We have x raised to power 3 plus y raised to power 3 is equal to 5. Let's call this equation 1. X squared plus y squared is equal to 3. Let's call this equation 2. We know that if you have x raised to power 3 plus y raised to power 3, this is equal to s plus y raised to power 3 minus 3x y bracket x plus y. Now, from equation 1, if you substitute this into this, we have s plus y raised to power 3 minus 3xy bracket s plus y is equal to 5. Let's call this our equation 3. Also from this equation 2, we know that if you have s plus y square, this is equal to s square plus 2sy plus y square. Then s square plus y square will be equal to this s plus y all square minus this 2sy. Now let's substitute for this. The equation 2 will now become s plus y all square minus 2xy is equal to 3. Let's call this our equation 4. Then we can now work on this equation 3 and equation 4. From equation 3 and 4, then we say let A is equal to s plus y and B is equal to xy. Then from equation 3, anywhere you see xy, you substitute B there. Then anywhere you see s plus y, you put A there. So the equation 3 now become A raised to power 3, because if s plus y is equal to A, it will be A raised to power 3 minus this 3. What is sy? B bracket s plus y, that is A, is equal to 5. Then this is A raised to power 3 minus 3ab is equal to 5. Let's call this our equation 5. Also from equation 4 now, then anywhere you see s plus y, you put A there. Then anywhere you see sy, you put B there. So this equation 4 now become, we have a square minus 2b is equal to 3. So let's call this equation 6. From equation 6, we can make b the subject of the formula. Then a squared minus 3 is equal to what? 2b. Now let's divide both sides by 2. Divided by 2, this will cancel this. b is equal to a squared minus 3 over 2. Let's call this equation star because we are going to make use of it. Let's substitute this equation star in this equation 5. If you substitute this equation into this equation 5, we have this is a raised to power 3 minus 3a bracket b is what? A squared minus 3 over 2 then is equal to 5. And this is a raised to power 3 minus 3a times a squared, that is 3a raised to power 3, then minus 3a times minus 3, that is plus 9a over 2 is equal to 5. So let's multiply all through by 2 in order to eliminate these two. We have 2 a raised to power 3 minus 3a raised to power 3 plus 9a is equal to 10. Now 2a raised to power 3 minus 3a raised to power 3, this is minus a raised to power 3 plus 9a. Then if you bring this 10 to this side, it becomes minus 10 is equal to 0. Then let's rearrange. We have a raised to power 3 minus 9a plus 10 is equal to 0. This is a cubic equation. So in order to reduce this to a quadratic equation, let's see. The factor of this 10 are plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 5, and plus or minus 10. So let's check. When a is equal to 1, let's see. A raised to power 3 minus 9a plus 10. Let's check. If it's going to be equal to 0, we have 1 raised to power 3 minus 9 bracket 1 plus 10 is not equal to 0, because 1 raised to power 3 is 1 minus 9, that is 8, plus 10, that is 2. When a is equal to 2, then this, let's see, we have 2 raised to power 3 minus 9 brackets 2 plus 10 must be equal to 0. Then 2 raised to power 3, this is 8 minus 9 times 2, 18 plus 10. If you look, this is equal to 0. Then 2 is a factor. 2 is a solution. Therefore, a is equal to 2 is true. Now we can divide this by this cubic equation, a raised to power 3 minus 9a plus 10. Let's divide using long method. This is a minus 2. Want to divide, and here is what? A raised to power 3 minus 9a plus 10. A in a raised to power 3, there is a square. A square times a. We have a raised to power 3, then a square times minus 2, minus 2a square. Multiply by minus, so this will cancel this. Then here will now be what? 2a square minus 9a. Then a into a square. This is plus 2a. 2a times a. This is 2a squared. Then 2a times minus 2. That is minus 4a. So let's multiply by negative. This will cancel this. Minus 9a plus 4a. Here is minus 5a. Then let's bring this 10 here. Plus 10. A in what? Minus 5a. We have minus 5. Minus 5 times a. That is minus 5a. Minus 5 times minus 2. That is plus 10. If you multiply by negative, so here we got 0, 0. Therefore, the quadratic equation we have will now be a squared plus 2a minus 5. Therefore, a raised to power 3 minus 9a plus 10 will be equal to a minus 2 bracket a squared plus 2a minus 5 equal to 0. From here, there are two cases here. The first case is a minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, a is equal to 2. Then the second case is a quadratic equation. Let's make use of this a equal to 2 first to get the value of x and y. Then recall from this equation star, b is equal to a squared minus 3 over 2. So let's get the value of b from there. When a is equal to what? 2. Then b will be equal to 2 squared minus 3 over 2. This is equal to 4 minus 3 over 2. And b will be equal to 1 over 2. We've known the value of b, which is 1 over 2, and a is equal to 2. Now let's get the value of our x and y. Then initially we said that a is equal to x plus y and b is equal to xy. Now we've known the value of a, which is 2. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 2. Also from b, which is half. Therefore, xy is equal to 1 over 2. Now remember these general rules that if you have x minus y all square, this is equal to x plus y all square minus 4xy. And we already know what our x plus y is and what xy is. Then x minus y all square will be equal to x plus y is 2. 2 square minus 4 bracket xy is 1 over 2. Then x minus y all square is equal to 4 minus 2. X minus y all square is equal to 2. Now let's take the square root of both sides. Square root of x minus y all square is equal to plus or minus square root of 2. This will cancel this. X minus y is equal to plus or minus root 2. So let's call this equation double star. Then we can now solve this equation double star and this x plus y equal to 2 simultaneously. That is x plus y equal to 2. Then x minus y equal to plus or minus root 2. Let's solve these two equations simultaneously. Then this is simultaneous equation using elimination method. Let's add the two equations together. If you add this together, x plus x, this is 2s, then minus y plus y, this will cancel this, will be equal to 2 plus or minus root 2. Since we are looking for the value of s here, let's divide both sides by 2, divided by 2. This will cancel this, s will be equal to 1 plus or minus root 2 over 2. S will be equal to 1 plus or minus root 2 over 2. Then let's multiply everything here by root 2. We have this multiplied by root 2. This multiplied by root 2. S will be equal to 1 plus or minus 1 over root 2. This is value of s. Therefore, x1 is equal to 1 plus 1 over root 2. You've got the value of s1. Let's solve for y1. From s plus y equal to 2, then we need the value of y. Y is equal to 2 minus s, but x is this. Y will be equal to 2 minus 1 plus 1 over root 2. Therefore, y1 will be equal to 2 minus 1 over root 2. This is the value of y1. Then we've got the value of y1. Let's solve for s2 and y2. Then from here, s2 will be 1 minus 1 over root 2. Also, s2 is equal to 1 minus 1 over root 2. Then from s plus y equal to 2, y is equal to 2 minus s. Then y2 now will be equal to 2 minus bracket 1 minus 1 over root 2. y2 will be equal to 2 plus 1 over root 2. This is the value of y2. Therefore, s1, y1 is equal to 1 plus 1 over root 2, y1 is 2 minus 1 over root 2. Then s2, y2 is equal to 1 minus 1 over root 2, 2 plus 1 over root 2. But remember that we've gotten only value from a is equal to 2. Now let's consider the second case, which is a squared plus 2a minus 5 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Then we can solve this using quadratic general formula. And our quadratic general formula is giving us a is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And from here, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to minus 5. Then let's substitute. We have minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by minus 5 over 2. A is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 plus 20 over 2. A is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 2 root 6 over 2. Therefore, A is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 6. Then we've got the value of A, which is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 6. Then we can also substitute this for B. From B is equal to A squared minus 3 over 2. Then when you get the value of B, you solve for X and Y. You can also solve for X and Y, then following the same procedure. So to get the value of X1, Y1, S2, Y2. Thank you. If you've enjoyed the class, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.